How to properly light a bedroom. Lighting is a critical aspect of interior design, and it's often overlooked. Proper lighting can enhance the ambience of a room, and it can also affect your mood and energy levels. So in this video, we've got you covered with 5 simple steps to light up your bedroom. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine your lighting needs. Ask yourself questions like, what activities will I be doing in this room? Or, do I need bright lighting to get ready in the morning? Once you have a clear idea of your lighting needs, you can start planning your lighting design. Step 2. Start with ambient lighting. Ambient lighting is the general lighting that fills a room. Start by installing a central ceiling fixture that provides even lighting throughout the space. If your ceiling fixture isn't sufficient, consider adding additional ambient lighting sources such as wall sconces or floor lamps. Step 3. Add task lighting. Task lighting is essential for activities like reading, applying makeup, or working on a computer. Place task lighting fixtures, such as table lamps or reading lights, in areas where you need focused lighting. For example, a bedside lamp is perfect for reading in bed, while a desk lamp is ideal for working at a desk. Step 4. Create ambience with accent lighting. Accent lighting is used to highlight specific features or objects in a room, such as artwork or architectural details. Use accent lighting sparingly, as too much can create a cluttered and overwhelming look. Step 5. Choose the right bulbs. Different bulbs have different color temperatures, which can affect the ambience of your room. Generally, warm white bulbs, around 2,700 K, are ideal for creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere, while cool white bulbs, around 4,000 K, are better for a bright and energizing feel. We hope you found this information helpful in lighting your bedroom. Take your time and plan your lighting design carefully. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.